early Saxon Kingdoms. That was in England in the 7th and 8th century. That was before William the Conqueror came with the conquest, the Norman conquest. And there England was not so much connected, and the smaller regions inside of the seven kingdoms, the Heptarchies, were ruled by smaller local lords. Now there was Northumbria, and then Mercia, and then East Anglia and Essex, Kent and Sussex, and Cornwell. And then of course the other regions, Wales, Scotland and Ireland. And there were many towns uprising, new villages were founded, and agriculture was everywhere possible. The south was fertile, and the southern regions with Kent and Wessex, these were also regions profiting from the Gulf Stream bringing warm water and so on. Now, and Kent and Wessex and also then Northumbria were the first one who were Christianized. There was St. Augustine. He came in 597 to Kent, in Canterbury. And when there was King Ethelthryth of Northumbria, he was encouraging learning then also, together with also there was another person, Bede, a scholar monk, and encouraging learning. And then there was King Redwald of East Anglia, and he was buried when in Viking manner, in a longship with treasures underneath a mound of earth, and that was found in 1939. And there was then King Offa of Mercia, the other region, and he built a dike towards Wales to keep the Welsh people out. And he made then a trading pact with the Emperor Charlemagne of France, the region, to encourage the trading between England and the continent. And then there were Viking invasions to the east side of England, and Wessex became and Wessex with its King Alfred became defendant against them. And King Alfred then became then the main monarch of England because he was basically doing that so good and mainly. And that is according to the history of kings and queens of England and Scotland, written by Edmund Swinglehurst on the pages 12 and 13.